Now I will show you how you can endorse the skill of your first degree connection. Keep in mind you can only endorse the skill of your first degree connection. First degree connection means already your friend, and you cannot endorse the skill of your second degree and third degree connection. Second degree connection means that are not your follower or not your connection. And third degree connection means not your friends, not your friends of friend, totally unknown person. And now this profile only have a one connection. Now I want to show you how you can endure the skill of your first degree connection. First of all, you just need to open your profile of your first degree connection and then scroll down this page, and you have to stop here the skill section, and you just need to click on endorse, and same like this you can endorse the skill of your target audience.